Hello, and welcome to Seymour Library's YouTube channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to stay up to date with our video releases. So first, I'm going to go ahead and open a web browser. And there are actually two options for what you can do. The first is you can just go to seymourlibrary.org. So you can type it into the browser bar and hit enter. And then you can come over to our eLibrary and go down to Video Library. And if you scroll down, you can take a look at what we have to offer for our video playlists. So we have what we're reading. This is our collection of book reviews. So you can check out what we've been reading and maybe find some books that you want to read next. We have a section for graphic novels and manga. This is mostly, once again, book reviews and recommendations, but there are some other learning opportunities there as well. Our tech tutorials video will feature videos like this one that teach you about our eLibrary and other digital content. We also have a collection of videos for chair yoga. We have our new video series, Ask Our Gardener. At certain times, we will have story time online. This one may disappear after a period of time due to copyright. We want to make sure that we abide by all the rules and regulations. We have a section that is Create With Us, and this will be art and craft videos that we have created here. We have a section for past events. So this will actually be events and programs that we have live streamed on our Facebook page, but you can also access them here. And then Discover More is other videos, a lot of times with our community collaborators, and you can find them under Discover More. Your other option for videos is to actually go to YouTube. So up in the browser bar, you would just type in youtube.com. And once there, you can either create an account or sign in. If you have a Google account, you can just sign in with that account. And then in the main search bar, you can just search Seymour Library. Enter. And we should come up. So this is our channel right here. And you can subscribe. All you would need to do if you aren't subscribed already is when this comes up, you can just click subscribe. And if you want to get alerts, and this will be like sent to your phone or your email, you can just hit this little notification bell. And I'll say all. And now I will get alerts anytime we upload a video. If I go into the channel, I can either browse anything that's new, or I can go to playlists, where we once again have our videos categorized. So there's yoga, there's our Learn It section, which is actually where these tech tutorials are. There's the What We're Reading playlist, the Discover playlist. We have different crafts for kids, the Ask Our Gardener series, the ones on graphic novels, and then sometimes there's other videos that we will add to playlists. This one, for example, includes videos that feature Seymour Library that we didn't create but were featured in, and then some other ones, book trailers and whatnot. So if you have watched and enjoyed any of our videos, I would encourage you to go ahead and subscribe to our channel just so that you can keep up to date with our latest releases. You can, of course, always stay up to date on our Facebook page as well. We do share the videos there, and that is also where you can catch a lot of our live streamed events. Hopefully we'll be able to resume that in the near future. So I hope that you were able to learn something new today and that you will consider subscribing to us and watching our videos and supporting the library that way until we can be together for live programs. I do hope that you will join us for our virtual programming. So that's it for this video, but I will be back with more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching. Bye.